Hello, my name is Denta and you are watching Dinner with Denta, the celebrity show where we get your favorite celebrities to cook your favorite food. If you haven't eaten, then we're about to whet your appetite. We're putting our celebrity guests to the test. Will they be able to get in the kitchen and cook a delicious food with good presentation, taste? Well, let's find out who our celebrity guest is tonight.
Put all your 5 fingers in your mouth. 5 fingers in, like that. I have my gospel album ready. I have 11 songs ready.
And I know that you're also a seamstress.
Hey, Flex! Hey, Denta, what's up? Cool. I'm very good. I'm home. You know, I know about your show, but honestly, I did not know your budget is 20 Ghana. Oh my God. Okay. You want me to cook for you? Okay. Tomorrow? Shut up. What do you want to eat? Okay. What do you want to eat? Okay. Okay. All right then. All right. I wouldn't want to promise you anything. I'll surprise you. Listen, I'm going to use 20 Ghana to cook you typical African dish. To be precise, fufu and ebunebu. Hello, exercise. Hello, hi. Hi. I'm a teacher. I'm a Tonyoma. A beer, kakran. What? It's go for. And see, body and yes, I am back. Yeah, that kind body. That kind. Me package every nipa me enu edi ane na me yenti. Me nya be 4. Okay. My body 4. Tomato fresh one. 1 seed. Flex, stay here. Today, you would have to excuse me for a few minutes. Because once I'm in the Asante then Taba. My name is Mcbrown. And today, I'm going to have dinner with Denta. Well, you're welcome to my home. This is where I host my people. This is my seat. This is where I host my lovely visitors. Comes to me all the time. I do not have much time because the entire will be coming soon. Now this is the dining set. Here is where we're going to have our dinner. This is where I keep my glasses. Yes, my girlfriend Denta should definitely taste any of these. Denta, wow, if you cannot take, I think I got a little shot for Denta. Wait. I'm back in shot. And sure, vodka before the fufu is a must. Voila. Okay, I hope because of my time. Wow, this is my lovely picture. Whoa, I really love heels, but I'm not really comfortable in wearing them sometimes. And I love red and white. Okay, and black sometimes. Come here. All right, let's go to my bedroom. Welcome to my bed. This is my lovely friend. Where the occasion trainer will be at on your concern. Well, first, oh, I forgot to take my glasses off. I'm sorry. I can't bring you to my bedroom without showing you my closet. This is my closet. This is why I always look pretty. Imagine me in this. Marcel, what do you? So make a choice. Which one do you want? This one? Or this one? Or this one? This is my bathroom. I didn't really arrange this place. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm very waste. I was in a hurry. Sometimes before I look good, this is where I stand. Do my makeup. I don't normally dress in the bedroom. Do my makeup. A little bit of that. You know, women, we're used to these things. Okay, let me see what we have. A brush. Yeah, and some perfume. Up here is my towels. In the night, I talk to myself and I talk to God. I ask Him so many things. I sit here and I relax. I watch my TV and I feel like I'm talking to God. Sometimes it's on mute. So, you know, I wouldn't say, I don't do concert for anything. We all do it for a living. This is my life. But we're going to go to the kitchen and I'll cook you food. Oh, and the control and quiet. We're about to cook fufu and ebune. You might be wondering what is ebune. It's contomere, as we'll say in my local dialect. This one, I guess you all know this one. This one is like a butterfly. Yeah. All right. Good. I have my contomere. It's very tasty with okra. Yes. This is precasse. And I got my salmon, my fish here. I want to be local, very local with this cooking. And all my vegetables are here. I'm cooking the soup with fish, beef, and Kobe. Dry, is it dry tilapia? I don't.
Hello, my name is Denta and you are watching Dinner with Denta, the celebrity show where we get your favorite celebrities to cook your favorite food. If you haven't eaten, then we're about to whet your appetite. We're We're putting our celebrity guests to the test. Will they be able to get in the kitchen and cook a delicious food with good presentation, taste? Well, let's find out who our celebrity guest is tonight.
Put all your 5 fingers in your mouth.
5 fingers in,
Like that. I have my gospel album ready. I have 11 songs ready.
And I know that you're also a seamstress.
Hey, Flex. Hey, Denta, what's up? Cool. I'm very good. I'm home. You know, I know about your show, but honestly, I did not know your budget is 20 Ghana. Oh my God. Okay. You want me to cook for you? Okay. Tomorrow? Shut up. What do you want to eat? Okay. What do you want to eat? Okay. Okay. All right then. All right. I wouldn't want to promise you anything. I'll surprise you. Listen, I'm going to use 20 Ghana to cook you typical African dish. To be precise, fufu and ebunebu. Hello, exercise. Hello, hi. How are you? Good. You're my guest though, but this is your house. Okay. So feel at home. Okay. I'm waiting for you.
All right. So what type of meat do we have inside?
Okay, I have Kobe. Kobe, but I like the head.
You like the head? I don't like the head. So
okay.
That's fine.
I have Kobe. I have Ajuni. The Ashantis call it Ohiniba. That means it's very sweet. You know the meaning of Ohiniba?
Ohiniba.
Prince.
Prince.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I have salted beef.
I don't think I've got this salted beef. I need that.
Yes. And then snail.
I've got the snail.
Okay.
So you can.
And then Simon.
Where's the Simon?
This is not the musician. What's the name? Paul Simon. No, this is Fish Simon.
Fish Simon. Okay.
Okay. Let me serve myself. With the head, I'm good. Just
love the head. Wow. This looks good. It smells very good as well.
Oh, there's that.
So is it like contemporary? Is it?
Okay, I'm going to tell you as we eat. Okay, good. Now, my soup. Oh, there's okra.
Okra, okay.
There's okra.
Is it a must that when you're eating food you have okra, or is it optional?
Optional. Optional because not everybody likes okra.
Does it just give it a different taste? Why okra?
Okra, me? I enjoy okra, or I enjoy fufu with okra.
Okay.
Yes, it goes straight, smooth, very smooth.
No corners.
No corners, no.
Okay.
Now this is the okra. I'm not going to serve you then.
Oh.
This is your house. Serve yourself. Get my ring.
Thank you. So we have to eat with our
African food.
Yes, of course.
Let's go.
Okay.
Nhyira, you haven't tasted ebunu ebunu.
No, never.
Okay, judge me. Now judge me.
This is nice.
Don't eat it like you're eating rice or continental food. Eat it like Ashantis, you know?
How are we supposed to do that?
Like that.
Okay. Wow.
With the okra. No, you have to create a hole.
Where?
And sweep some soup. Then I have to,
No, you have to
like this. You too, cry. What's the meaning of this? Put all your 5 fingers in your mouth.
5 fingers in,
Like that. This is too Queen Elizabeth style of eating.
No, it tastes good.
Yeah.
The fish, the salmon. No. You're an actress. A very huge, successful
About to be a musician.
About to be a musician. Wow.
I got the talent.
So have you actually started recording?
Yes. Actually, I have my gospel album ready. I have 11 songs ready as I speak to you. And I have 3 hip lives.
Wow.
Yes. You know, one might be asking,
yeah,
why? I believe that I got the talent. And not just the talent. I love to be a bishop one day.
Really?
I love to. I really love to.
You know the Bible a lot?
I do.
You study the Bible?
I do. I have a pastor in my former church, Kingdom Life.
Kingdom Life.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's in the UK, Pastor Kuswansa.
Okay.
Ask me more about him when it comes to my Christianity background. People judge us because of the work we do.
Yeah.
But to be honest with you, we're all human. We have feeling and we believe that we're going to be judged one day.
Yeah.
And for that matter, we are seeking. Forgive me.
That's okay.
That is the nature of the job.
Yeah. So do you think that you get like criticized a lot for some of the works that you do as an actress?
Yes. Some people ask, why are you not shooting the English movies?
But aren't they selling more than the English ones?
Well, it is. But my point is not that, because not all that money, that profit doesn't come to my pocket.
Okay.
But what my problem is, I don't see why people have to criticize me. It's good. You can straighten up or find a way to say it. But you should not criticize, because I know what I'm doing. Just love what I do, support me. You can't tell me that you watch Indian movies and you expect them to speak English. Even the ones they shoot in Europe and all that, they still speak their language. The only problem I have with my people when it comes to the local movies
I love it.
is that they're not using the right equipment.
Okay.
You understand? They don't take
production.
time
Yeah.
to do it.
So how quickly is the turnover for doing a movie in Ghana at the moment? For a local film?
Local, we take like, some people, some production houses some take 3 days.
Wow.
But lately, I don't see more of the 3 days.
Okay. And that's
It was
just part
before.
1, part 1, 2, 3. Wow.
A jacko is on your neck. Somebody else is on your neck. This one is on your neck. And you want to have all these people in your movie. But no matter you see, then they sometimes get to forget that they are losing the content, as in the quality of And me, I've been complaining for now. For some time now, I've also been producing.
Oh, fantastic. Well done. And I know that you're also a seamstress.
Oh,
You've got your own
that
business.
is old fashioned. I'm a fashion designer. What are you talking about?
But you sew. No, that's the thing. You can actually sew.
I can sew, yeah. People don't believe it.
Yeah. I've seen you myself. You actually, you sew
people
really
don't
nice.
believe it.
Do you think relationship is important?
Oh, yes, I know.
Do you think a woman should be
Relationship is important, but to who? Who are you going to have the relationship? That is the point, the question, the big question. And it's very important.
As a woman in the industry that is doing these type of movies, people see you maybe kissing somebody or hugging somebody, they get a bit like,
They're always like that.
They're always like that.
That's what they say.
Okay.
When you watch a movie and you criticize an actor or an actress upon what you've seen, then you're not being fair to the person. You should know that movies are make-believe. Now, people get to you, they like you so much, but they're scared. Hey, and then the person will be asking, I'm number what? I'm number what?
So that has a big part in your life then. The movie maybe has been...
Actually, not just the movie. If you get close to Mcbrown and Nhyira, you get to know that she's totally different from what you see on TV. Honestly, what I see is it's like you waking up in the morning going to work. You understand? You get paid for what you're doing. Yeah, sure, I get paid for what I'm doing, and that is my work. I have to be a villager, it is my work. I have to kiss somebody, it is my work. But the point is, it is not passionate.
There's no feelings in it.
And that sometimes you get too high. Depends on who. But you have to be strong and know that this is a job. We're still human. Of course, you should know. Temptations, not just in the work, not just when you're kissing. You go as an actress, you go somewhere, everybody want to host you and all that. Are you going to say, oh, because everybody's going to host me, or because this man is doing it, it means he likes me. Or because if you're an actor, this girl is doing it, it means she likes me, no. It is not like that. Get close to the person, get to know who she or he is. And you can judge her from the relationship you have. You understand? Yeah. To me, every time I build friendship in a relationship. And that's what matters. If I get to build a friendship, you surely believe that whatever I'm doing outside my house, outside my private life, is strictly business. You understand? I have so many accusations that some people I've been working with, and people go, oh, wait there. No, that's what this, yeah.
And how does it make you
got
feel?
Something to do.
How does it make you feel?
I don't care. That is me, I don't care. Because it's my way. Oh, so you're going to judge me, seeing me with a man, different sort of man. Hey, then you got a lot of work to do.
I'm enjoying my food here. Nana Mcbrown's home in Ghana, in Accra, and the food presentation to me is voila, beautiful. First of all, presentation, I would say you have presented your table, your food, the glass of water, the wine. I don't know if it's a ladies thing or what. Maybe women can actually cook better than men. We have two questions for you from some fans that have tweeted us on Facebook to us.
Okay.
And one of them wants to know, does Nanama keep in shape? Do you exercise?
Okay. I don't go to the gym often, but I walk.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I walk a lot. Once a while. Well, in my neighbor here, we walk every Saturday. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, I've lost some weight, and I'm keeping it up.
Okay. And the second question is, if you wasn't an actress, what type of job would you be doing?
You know, I wanted to be a footballer.
Oh yes, you can play football.
I wanted to be a footballer, but in Ghana, my mom was like, not here.
Not in this house. But you used to play for a team. Was it the Black Queens or?
No, I played for Kumasi, Asante, ladies. Wow. That's Fabulous Ladies. And I also played for Bluna Ladies. Wow. In Tema.
Fantastic. Yes. What position?
Wow.
8. Midfield. I scored goals. You scored goals. Wow. Yeah, because you know what? I was speaking to Adebayo actually, and he mentioned to me that when there was a charity match and you played, you were better than
some way better.
Well, thank you very much for joining me and Nana Mcbrown on Dinner with Denta. Celebrities can actually cook. See you on the next episode.